Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Dear student, first of all, we will take a pledge to fight against COVID-19. After that, we will start our video. So let's take the pledge. I, Manpreet Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Okay, बच्चे, now open your English phonic sound book, page number 1313. We will read E sound words. Okay, E, G, egg sound. B, E, G, bag. B, bag. B, E, G, bag. B, bag. Then K, E, G, keg. K, keg. K, E, G, keg. Keg. Then L, E, G, leg. Leg. L, E, G, leg. Leg. P, E, G, peg. Peg. P, E, G, peg. Peg. Then E and N sound. D, E, N, den. Den. D, E, N, den. Den. H, E, N, hen. Hen. H, E, N, hen. Hen. M, E, N, men. Men. M, E, N, men. Men. T, E, N, ten. Ten. T, E, N, ten. Ten. Okay, बच्चे, today we will do the formation of alphabet I. Ice cream. In the previous assignment we have done E, F, G, H, and today we will do the alphabet I. Combined cursive alphabet I. So I will tell you the formation. First of all, make a standing line and then curve. After that, make a slanting line, then sleeping line. Now make a slanting line and again curve. What is this? Combined cursive alphabet I. Again, first of all, make a standing line and then draw a curve, then slanting line and then sleeping line, फिर slanting line and then curve. Okay, बच्चे, again, first of all, make a standing line and then curve like this. फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक slanting line and then sleeping line. फिर slanting line and then curve. Okay, बच्चे, once again I will tell you the same formation. Standing line, curve, slanting line and then sleeping line. Then again make a slanting line and then curve. Okay, बच्चे, I hope you all got it. Again, standing line, curve, slanting line, sleeping line and then slanting line and curve. This is small I. Again, draw a 1 and then curve and then slanting line and sleeping line. then again slanting line and then curve. Okay, बच्चे, you have to do its practice on your English fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.